Legal. No part of this publication may be including but not limited to reproduce in any form the medium stored in data retrieval system or transmitted by through any means without prior writing permission from the publisher. The information contained herein has been obtained from a source believed to be reliable at the time of publication. The opinion expressed herein are subject to change without notice. The publisher disclaims all warranties as to the accuracy, competence, or adequacy of such information. The publisher assumes no liability for errors, omissions, or inadequacy in the information content herein or form the interpretation therefore thereof. Our publication specifically disclaimer any liability from the use of application of the information content herein or form the interpretation thereof. Table of contents. Legal. 2. Table of contents. 3. Introduction. 5. Type of YouTube ads. 6. In-stream ads. 6. In display ads. 6. In search ads. 7. Prerequisite. Creating your landing. Page 9. Creating videos. 10. Campaign creation. 11. Conclusion. 15. Resource. 16. Introduction. YouTube is consistently among the highest traffic website in the world, with over 1 billion users, almost 1 by 3 of all the people on the internet, and it is reach more people between 18 and 49 than any US cable network. Here are some interesting statistics about YouTube. As you can there is very little reason to avoid advertising on YouTube, especially if you are trying to reach that all important 18-49 age range that YouTube has such as a larger number of. Not only does the site have massive amount of traffic, they claim that people watch hundreds of millions of hours of video every single day, but it has a great potential to convert to videos is one of the most effective ad format available. There is really no better way to convey a lot of information quickly while keeping the user interest. In this guide, you are going to learn how to take advantage of YouTube ads in order to generate leads, get sales, or whatever other conversation goals you have in mind. Let's begin. Types of YouTube ads. There are actually three different type of YouTube ads that are available to advertise in this guide. We'll be focused on one in particular in-stream ads, but there are two other types you could also try. In-stream ad just happen to be the most effective for the majority of advertise. In-stream ads. The most effective type of ads on YouTube generally proposed in this stream ad. This is the type of ad that work like television commercial, forcing user to view the ad before they can continue to the video they want to watch. Most in-stream ads have two ability for the user to keep this ad by clicking a link after the first few seconds of the ad has been viewed. If you user click the ad, they can be taken to the advertised landing page. This is ideal for getting expensive exposure to highly target prospect. In the industry perfect, you are looking for a lot of impressions quickly for branding or promotional purpose. In stream ad tend to get a lot more view than the other ad type. In display ad. In display ad are those you might see in the sidebar when you are viewing your video on YouTube. The ad is showing at the top of the related video, and the ad blend and quite nicely, but not so much so that they don't get click. They do have a yellow tag that alert user to the fact that the post in a ad. This type of art is best for building your YouTube channel or just getting more view to specific video, because the ads lead to YouTube video and not to landing page. They aren't as effective for actually promotional purpose. Of course, you can still build a call to action within your video to get user to your website, but they ad won't link directly to your page. In search ad. In search ad or similar to in display ad, expect the appear when a user search for a specific keyword rather than when someone is searching for a video. The ad appear above the content. This ad work in much the same way in display ads. Traffic is sent to a video rather than a landing page. So again, you would need to be certain your video has a strong call to action if you want to get traffic to a landing page. Prerequisites. In order to create YouTube ads, you will need a Google account and a AdWords account. Then you will need to link your YouTube account a Google AdWords to purchase ads. You can find out more about the basic of advertising on YouTube here. And you find out of link your AdWords account YouTube here. Once your account is linked, you can start creating ads right away. Just click the get started button here. Once you have the thing placed, you are ready to get started. Creating your landing page. Although it is not necessary to create a separate landing page specifically for YouTube traffic, it is a good idea to do so for a few reasons. First, you will be able to easily tell how much traffic the site is sending you. This can be accomplished with conversation pixel as well, but this method gives you more control. Additionally, creating a specific landing page would allow you to target YouTube viewers especially with your ad. For example, your landing might reference something like welcome YouTube viewers, or you could have a video landing page that might be more effective than traditional landing page since the traffic is coming from video website. You're you definitely want to add a conversation pixel to your landing page even if you create a dedicated landing page for your YouTube traffic. The conversation pixel will send in information to YouTube that will let them know how you will tell your landing page or performing, and then system may adjust your based on the information it receives from the conversation pixel. Here's how you can implement our conversation pixel. Creating videos. It seems obvious, but too many people seem to think that your quality of their video art doesn't matter much. The trust is it matter a whole lot, and it is not just the quality of the audio and video itself, but of the way your ad is presented and the type of ad you create. You can definitely outsource the creation of your video if you don't feel comfortable making it yourself, but there are MyRide tools available this day that make it easy for beginner to create professional video on their own. Here are a few examples. Once you have created your art, just upload the art to YouTube like you would any video. This will let you get some traditional free views to your art form site itself in additional to making the video available for the art system. Camping creation. There are a number of different ways to target your stream ad on YouTube. Each method has it is one strength and weakness, so you may want to try out more than one to see which one get you the best result. Keyword. Keyword camping allow you to target based on specific keyword. This is helpful if you have good idea of the type of words and perhaps people might search for to find information related to your topic. Let's say you let's say you have an ad that has to do with digital painting. You might not want to target the word painting on it is one because a lot of people might be searching for that word to learn how to paint with oil or acrylic, or they might be looking to paint the wall in the basement. Interest you had want to target very specific words such as digital painting and painting on a computer. Interest topic. Another type of targeting is by interesting or topic. YouTube keeps track of what logging use watch developing your profile of the type of content each individual like over time. This helps them deliver accurate suggestion of things the user might like to watch and also help them deliver the most relevant ads. You are like to get a lot more view if you are target by topic, but keep in mind that this type of traffic probably want to be well targeted as keyword traffic because it isn't targeted to what that user want to view at any particular moment. They may view your ad out of curiosity, but they might not be affected as it would be if they had deliberately searched for the related term during the placement. Placement camping are probably the best type of camping if you are just sitting started because you can target your specific video or channel to display your ads. This means you can find video that fit expectational well and show your ads on those specific video. If you target by keyword or by topic, you have to hope the Google incorrect Bennett decided the best place to advertise your content. The system will have to interpret both your keyword and the context of the video before it display ad. It could end up showing your ad on irrelevant content, costing you money with little to no return. Using placement campaign, you can choose relevant context yourself and ensure your ad is making it to your target market. Keep in mind that you may not see much traffic with the method as you would with a keyword campaign, but traffic is much more likely to be profitable for you. Another cool thing about using placement campaign is the fact that you can place ad on video that you competitor have uploaded. This lets you legally steal your competitor viewers. Best of all, your competitors have already done the work for target views to the content. Retargeting. Retargeting campaign allow you to target people who have already visited your website or landing page at least once. You might wonder what the point is in targeting people who have already been to your site and failed to convert. But keep in mind that people have many different reasons for failing to convert. A lack of interest is not always the reason. Remember, someone may be too busy to fill out your email for when they first visit, or they might not have enough money to buy your product at the moment. or maybe they just wanted to shop around first. By targeting those people who have been to your site and not convert, you have another chance to get them back and get that conversation. Best of all, they have already proven they were at least somewhat interested in what you have to offer because they have already been to your site. Camping creation. Creating a YouTube and camping on AdWord is very simple. Creating the video and uploading it is the hardest part of the process. Once that is done, it is actually incredible easy to create a camping. First log into your AdWord account. Click on the camping tag and then click camping. To add a new camping, click video. Enter a name of your camping ad, then enter your budget. Select YouTube, choose which location you had like to target your exclude and choose on the target language for your customer. Click save and continue. Next, enter a name for the ad group within your camping. Next to your video, choose on the video you have uploaded to YouTube as your ad. Beside video and ad type, choose on what type of conversation would you would like, views, awareness, conversation or mobile app installation. Beside video ad format, choose an in stream ad. You can also choose an in display if you want, but we are focusing on in stream ad. Set your bid amount and select your targeting method. Click save ad group. It is that simple. Conclusion. As you have learned creating ads, YouTube BI AdWord is actually remarkable simple. It is also very cost effective, bringing you lead at an affordable price without a lot of time or upfront investment. Of course, you can't just slap off any old video and spend traffic to a landing page that is properly designed and expect result. But like anything you're willing to test and take, you should be able to come up with a system that is very profitable in on time. Don't forget to add the conversation fixer to your language landing page if you have access to do this. If you are sending traffic straight to any affiliate offer, you may not be able to. The conversation pixel will help you see not only how much traffic you are getting for your in-stream ads, but also how much traffic is making it to your thinking you page, which will let you know how well it is converting. There are also retargeting options you should consider so you can get the people who didn't convert the first time to come back so you have second chance to convert them. You could also send those retargeted flow into different landing pages that might have better conversation rate. Best of luck with your stream ads.